A new feature alert for LinkedIn. Hi, I'm Richard and I'm your LinkedIn social media sphere strategist. And it's been fantastic the last couple of weeks because there's been a new rollout from LinkedIn. We have a scheduler. So if you're using Buffer, you're using Later, you're using Canva to schedule your posts, no more. LinkedIn now has its own inbuilt content scheduler. So what am I talking about if you don't know what a scheduler is? A scheduler is where you can predetermine what date you post your posts on. So if today's Monday, for example, you can post them on Thursday or Friday or sometime in the future, depending on what you're doing. To see if you've got this feature, if you look in the bottom right-hand corner where it says post, next to it you should see a little clock. That means you've got the scheduler because LinkedIn are rolling it out. They've rolled it out to a few million over the last couple of weeks, and they're going to be rolling it out to a few more million over the next few weeks. So if you haven't got it, you will get it eventually. But some of us have it already. So let's look at it. Select the clock, select the date and the hour, create your post, select schedule, and Bob's your uncle. Away we go, you've just made your first scheduled post. Now, when you do select that little clock and it brings up the date and the time, when you've put all your text in as well, it will give you an extra line which will come up with the time and the date, which enables you, if you want to change the time, you can do. I think they'll be putting some more features in this as time goes by, but at the moment this is what we're stuck with, and we need to be grateful because it's a fantastic opportunity to schedule within LinkedIn, and this will give us brownie points on the algorithms because we're actually using a LinkedIn product, i.e. their own scheduler, rather than some third party which they've always frowned upon. What is funny is usually they have a help file. On this occasion, the only way you can see the help file is if it's been rolled out to you. If it hasn't been rolled out to you, you will not be able to see the help file. Also, at the moment, you can do it on your desktop, Android, but you can't do it on iOS, i.e. you can't do it on Apple products like your iPhone or your iPad. So that will be rolled out, I'm pretty sure, over the next few weeks. But first of all, we all need to get the timer rolled out to us. For the time being, all we can do are normal posts like text related, images, videos, documents. So eventually we'll be able to do a lot more, I understand, but at the moment, this is all we can do. So just look out for that little clock in the bottom right-hand corner next to post. And the other thing is, when you do hit that button and you put the time in, etc., the blue button changes from post to schedule. So you will notice another little difference as well. So if you've got it, great. Hope you're using it. If not, be patient and it will be rolled out to you. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this very, very short video about this fantastic new feature. So if you've liked what I've done, please like, please subscribe and ding the bell so that you can be notified of future uploads. So ding, that's me, dinging the bell. Okay, have fun and I'll see you on the flip side.